Angela? Angela?
She's getting kind of experimental.
Angela? Where's Angela? Angela.
I heard you say Angela a couple times really well.
Angela.
Angela?
What about fuck you?
You can edit that. Yeah.
No. Look what she's doing again.
Oh, hey, I got it for you. Oh,
You gotta eat that one too now. You bid it, you buy it. Angela? Angela.
Angel.
Oh, you know what? She has that little angel book that Lil gave her.
Excellent.
She loves that book. She holds the little angel and then we read it. Is there too much in your mouth, miss? Angela.
Andrew.
Who the heck is Andrew? Angela.